When you're working with existing drawings, bringing them into your workflow should feel direct and uncomplicated. TurboCAD lets you import 2D Adobe PDF files as editable CAD geometry, giving you immediate access to the content without relying on underlays. Lines, arcs, text, layers, and layout structure are converted into native drawing entities wherever possible. What begins as a PDF becomes real geometry you can select, adjust, and integrate into your project. The import process is powered by ODA-based technology to maintain fidelity across supported platforms. Choose the PDF you want to bring in, confirm the import, and the drawing appears in your workspace as clean, editable 2D geometry, ready for refinement or further development. It's a straightforward way to reuse design data and keep your workflow moving without extra steps or workarounds. Thanks for watching.